I have come to the conclusion that my suggestion was not consistent with the policies of the ANC and policies of government. I therefore unconditionally withdraw my proposal and apologize for the anxiety it might have caused to the residents of Johannesburg and the people of South Africa as a whole. I wish to appreciate, of course, the robust manner in which our people were engaged in this discourse, especially in social media platforms. The participation of our people in this discourse reaffirms our belief that we have a vibrant and conscious citizenry upon which a prosperous society can and will be built. And let me conclude by saying the instructions of the Lekgotla are clear that the proposal by the regional chair has been rejected and the Lekgotla has resolved on the way forward on this matter, and I will therefore not entertain any further debates in as far as this proposal is concerned. Thank you.